Good morning, vlog. We are back. We're in Mesa, Arizona. First game of the season. Gonna set the tone against the party animals today.
Nope. 2025, year of the party animals, baby.
All right. And I'm gonna say it's the year of the banana, so we'll come back to this at the end of the year and see how it goes. Tanner, you got anything today?
It's go time.
What else?
That's all I got.
A lot of cool stuff today. A lot of stuff playing, a bunch of new stuff. I'm gonna be singing a bunch of new songs. Tanner's making me lost, walking around in circles. So it's good to get these vlogs back going again. If you don't know, and this is your first vlog, Tanner and I do vlogs every weekend when we play. They come out every Tuesday. And yeah, we're gonna take you through a full day of what it looks like to be a banana ball player, playing a banana ball game in a cool city. So we'll see y'all throughout the day. Peace.
Mauldin the hero! His second walk-off of the night! Bananas win 5-4!
All right, look at this. Here's where we're at today. Spring training home of the Chicago Cubs, Sloan Park. Let me give you a quick little field review. Check this out. This place is beautiful. This is just a classic, good-looking ballpark. All right, so we're getting BP going pretty early today. So we're gonna go to the locker room, see what the boys are doing, get ready for BP, and get this day rolling. Let's go. Game day, day one. Come on. Here, Rack. Here, you wanna say a little something to the vlog?
If you have to pee today, just know you're in good hands because we're at Sloan Park, baby.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Can I ask you a question on camera?
Yeah, what you got?
Where's Coach Rack?
You know, sometimes I think he's right here, and other times I feel like I'm just trying to find myself. Sometimes I feel like Coach Rack is here with us. Sometimes I feel like I have a mic tickling my chin. It just really depends on the day.
All right, it is dark in here right now, but you know what? Locker room check. Let's get it. The boys. Locker room check.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah. What's up, Prime?
What's up, sir?
Hey, what up, boy? What's up with you? Good to see you. What's up, Arch?
My guy.
Good to see you, bro.
Happy opening day.
Happy opening day. What's up, Niz? What's up, bro? Thank you, sir.
Go in there.
What's up, player? What's up, player? What up, player? And we're gonna get ready for BP. Let's get it. Oh, I got my own locker. Look at this. All right, Doc.
We back, game one.
Rocking and rolling, baby. It's a good day. I actually have my own bat now. Look at this. Same model as Doc's. Took after Doc.
It's a sad day because he uses mine a lot.
I do. I might swing yours one today, just for fun, you know?
Yeah.
One round of Doc's. We're about to hit some BP. It's a good day.
Bombs only.
Bombs only. First round, bombs. Second round,
Bombs.
third round,
Hit and run. Bombs.
hit and run bombs. All right, let's hit some bombs. I'm swinging hard as I can.
I see you, Andy.
All right, I'll take that. That was a good round. Felt good, nice and loose. It's a good day. Weather's beautiful here. We just left the snow in Savannah, and you can't beat this. Let's have a day, baby. All right, y'all, BP is done. Now it's time to work on the field, working on trick plays, get loose, take some ground balls. Man, what a beautiful day it is, though. Let's get it. Give me that ball, bro. Might go mic on the hat. Yeah. All right, same thing. Transfer. Something light, nothing crazy, you know that. We're gonna do a little basketball between the legs, something like that real quick. All right, here we go, a little basketball play. Right there. Nice and easy. All right, basketball to a court trip. So we go here, basketball, yeah. Gotta show them you got mentors. I'm showing everybody how to take ground balls while still remaining a real one.
I'm gonna show y'all how to order from Chipotle while remaining a real one. This is a tutorial.
When you waiting, you gotta make sure you wait with mentors.
Yeah, wait with mentors. Act like they know that you've been here before.
It's so nice. They're so polite here. You gotta have mentors. They got mentors here too.
All right, spin around, watch this. Yep, here. Shoot. Raise your yeah. Thank you. All right, little lunch real quick. We got a sandwich with some grapes, and that's what we have for lunch today. All right, so we're sound checking out here today, and I usually sing one of my songs, but I'm trying something new. I'm gonna try a Taylor Swift medley and see how it goes. Not sure how it's gonna go, but we are going to try this thing. sound check is done. Now we have staff chat. So it's just gonna talk about the weekend, talk about what's going on, and then we're gonna move into some rehearsals and go over our dances and our celebrations, all that good stuff that you guys see us do on social media. And so here we go.
We've raised the bar when it comes to the show. We've got a better team that's equipped to add new things we've never done before. We've raised the bar with our merchandise. You look at how we set up and how much we've learned over the last year. We've raised the bar with our ticket operation. We will take care of fans faster than we ever have before in the history.
We ready to roll? Yeah. All right, guys, rock and roll. So the goal is today we're gonna block through Be Our Guest and run it at least twice. Then we're gonna run trumpets. Then we'll run Hit by Pitch, Shayla, home run Saquon, the add-on dance, Carlton, Bad Day with Dalton, 3-2-2, Boogie on Down with Malachi and Swan when he gets back out here, and that, and Dan, and I'll need Dan. Let's go ahead and go infielders, pitcher, catcher, and then everybody else go to your spot for Be Our Guest.
Okay, so we're doing this thing called Be Our Guest, and it's a dance that we're doing. It's the first time we're doing it, and the only time we're doing it. So we're gonna see how this goes for a one-off thing. All right, so Ty has a walk-up today, and he's doing Trumpets by Jason Derulo. So he's gonna start off this year with a little walk-up, and then he's gonna hit a bomb. I'm calling it. So when I clip in a video of Ty hitting a bomb, just know I called that. Big field, but the ball flies here, so I think he's got it in him.
And the trumpets, they go.
Oh, okay. Wow. All right, this is what we're doing if we get hit by a pitch in the game today. That's like a TikTok trend or a movie or something, but this is what it looks like.
Go music.
We're rocking and rolling, we're back down to the field, got all changed, ready to go. Feels good to be back in the yellows. We're doing a pregame video today, and we just did it. I was singing Boys Are Back in Town by Thin Lizzy, I think it was, and all the boys are chiming in on it, and they're posting it pregame before the game, so it should be fun. Here's what it looked like right here. We've got a lot going on right now. I'm about to go sing like 3 Taylor Swift songs for the fans out there after we do the rope drop where we let them come in. So a lot going on. My mind's a little scatterbrained today because it's day one. We're trying a bunch of new stuff. Also haven't got lunch yet, so I'm gonna go eat some lunch and we're gonna get this thing going. But it's a good day so far. All right, we're about to go out there and sign some autographs for the fans, meet them for a little bit. So I'm gonna switch you guys over to my sunglasses camera. I got these right here, these little Ray-Bans, and I'm gonna switch the camera over to these. You can see it's right there. There's a little camera. You guys can see a POV from what I'm looking at too. Here we go. Okay, we're recording. I just say hi. All right, what's your name?
Hayden.
Hayden. Hayden drew me this. This is incredible. She's got the Mauldin jersey on. Look at that, amazing. You rock. So nice to meet you. I'm putting this in my room. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
All right, look at this guy. Oh my, no way. Okay, hi vlog. Hi everybody. Y'all just ready? Sweet Like Honey shirt. Heartbreak Love. Look at this, got some Celsius in the bag. Look at this. Y'all rock. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so now we're about to go to VIB, and VIB stands for Very Important Banana. That's where we let our first people come in, we sign autographs, hang out with them, take some pictures, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna do that for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going out there to sing these Taylor Swift songs, so we'll see how it goes. I'm also gonna sing the Taylor Swift songs out before the peel with my glasses on, so you guys can get like a live recording, and then you can also see everybody singing along or not singing, we'll see. My eyes and a flashback starts, I'm standing there. Okay. On the balcony, summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball down. See you make your way through the crowd and sing along. It's a cool summer with you. Thank you. All right, sang Taylor Swift songs out there. I got 99% of the words right. Messed up on one. But look how beautiful this is out here. Look at this. It's incredible. Is this stills behind me? Yep. We're about to go welcome everybody into the ballpark. And it's a great day, man. It is. What a beautiful day. Perfect weather here in Arizona. Love coming here, man. It's awesome. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go time, baby. Let's go. All right, y'all. It's game day. Opening night. putting my cleats on, getting them all ready to go. All the fans are coming in here now. We done open the gates up. It's almost game time. Hope you guys like the vlog so far. It's only gonna get more exciting. So I appreciate you guys watching so far. Let's get into it. Come on. All right, y'all. Got to rock and roll. I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit. Stadium's filling up. Sloan Park, Mesa, Arizona. It is a beautiful day. I keep saying that, but like, I cannot get over how nice today is, man. I'm gonna go sing on the field here in about 20 minutes after our stretch and throw. Let's do this thing.
Bruh.
All right, we got a 6-year-old trying to hit a home run off the party animals. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right, hold on, let me turn it. Oh! He gone. He's winning. Yeah! He's gone.
This is the first game of the season. Take advantage of this tonight. I'm fucking down in the infield. Outfield. Dugout. You name it. Come on.
A little pillow fight real quick. Watch this. Oh my gosh. Let's go!
Real quick before Be My Guest, we're ready for this. Everything that we've done the last couple months, the last couple tours, no matter how long you've been here, you are prepared for this. Because everybody in the huddle got your back tonight. Win, lose, or draw, we leave it all out there for 9 innings, and I'm betting on us to come home with that win. Let's go.
Come on, baby.
Come on. Hey, have fun, boys. Type on 3. 1, 2, 3. Type.
All right, so we did a dance for our first AB. Reese hit a ball. They scored a home run, whatever. I don't know. But we're about to come back here. We're going to beat them. Let's go. First game of the season. Ready to rock and roll. It's a good day. Let's do this. All right, Tanner's up.
No, late and early.
All right, I hope Tanner does good on this one, but not his next at bat. Gotta wish him good luck, you know what I'm saying?
I don't have my hat to throw it. All right, let me stop.
That boy DR. DR's leading it off. First at bat for the Bananas of 2025. DR versus Garrett Delano. Let's go. Yes, sir. Oh, we got the DH up to bat. And if y'all know who he is, y'all know who he is. Watch this.
DR, I need you scoring, DR.
A little game update. It is top 3. Party Animals are up 1-0, and Tanner's up, and we about to come back and beat them. I know, he's on it. No way they catch that. Oh, we might catch that though. Oh, we got Prime pitching right now. Prime on the mound. Swan up the bat. Let's go. Here's how it goes. Hey, it's 1-1. Racks up right now. 5th inning. We gotta put some runs on the board and win this thing. Let's go. Knock. Attaboy, attaboy. That was so sick, so good. So good, bro. Hey, good swing, bro. Still suspicion right now. Look at this right here. He caught it, but it's got to be a clean catch, so it doesn't count. Alright, y'all, I'm about to go to hit. So let's see if I can get a home run. Let's go. Alright, I came up to bat. I flew out. No bueno. But that's alright. We're in the 9th inning now. It's 4-2. Hey, every run counts this inning, so we got a chance. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we got Krim on the mound. Arizona native. He can try to shut him out. We're gonna score 3 and win this thing. Let's go. Alright, we call this yellow. Look at this. Alright, y'all, this is the 9th inning. Every run counts right now. 6-2. 25 runs. We got a chance, though. We got this. Alright, we got 2 outs. One more out to score 5 runs, or we lose. So, here we go. It starts with 1. Starts with 1. We're coming back tomorrow. We're gonna get them. And that's it for night 1 in Mesa.
Hey, boy.
Hey, good job.
Good game, baby.
Good game.
Yes, sir.
All right, vlog. That is the end of the night. Night 1 in Mesa. That was awesome. It's good to be back out here and doing this. We had an off season, you know, and it was nice to get a little bit of rest and like have a little time off. But like, this is what we're supposed to be doing, and we're here and we're doing it and we're enjoying this, and we're just making this fun for the fans, making it fun for us. As you know, baseball at the end of the day is just a game. It needs to be played that way, and that's what we're trying to push out here and have a lot of fun and be exciting and celebrate big. And also make a fun, special experience for the fans that come to the games. So if you're new here, thank you for watching. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back to these vlogs. It's so much fun. We love making these. And make sure if you're watching this one, Tanner Thomas's vlog is coming out right after. So make sure you go watch that. That's the Party Animals POV. But yeah, thank you for watching this vlog. It's been so fun. I'm so excited to get these going again. I'm gonna have a vlog come out every Tuesday for the rest of this year. But for real, thank you for watching the vlog. It's good to be back. I will see you guys next week. We're going to Glendale, Arizona. And tomorrow we're gonna beat these Party Animals. You're not gonna see it, but we're gonna beat it. So just believe me, okay? And we'll see you next week. Here's a song snippet. Peace.
Wrong side.